Assalamualaikum guys. Today I'm gonna show you how you can change your mobile battery. It's Huawei Mate 10 Lite mobile. The mobile is not giving a proper backup. As you can see, the total battery is 2%. Now it's going to shut down. Now, second, it becomes little bit fatty. It means battery is not in working order. So we have to replace this battery with a new battery. For this complete process, how you can change your mobile battery, please watch complete video. And I also want to request you kindly subscribe my channel for upcoming more informative videos. Now let's start the video. For mobile opening, at the bottom of this your mobile, as you can see, there are two small screws. This one is here and second one is here. You have to open both screws from your screwdriver. Second one is here. Now there is no any other screw. You just need to open this mobile with any key opener, with any screwdriver or plastic card. Multiple things you can use. Carefully open this mobile, because your touch can also be broken with a small mistake. I forgot to tell you, before opening your mobile you have to open the SIM jacket. Just remove it from the mobile. It's very compulsory. When you are going to open your mobile, SIM jacket must be removed from here. Otherwise there is a chance it can be break when you try to open this mobile. Now mobile is now open. There is the battery and a small terminal, as you can see, is there. Now you can use this instrument to open this. Now both jacks, this one and second one, is removed from here, and third one jack you have to remove. You can easily remove it from here. Now this is the battery jack. You have to remove it from your mobile. Now you can remove your battery from here. With glue sticker, sometimes it used. Now battery has been removed from my mobile. as you can see, a little bit fatty battery. Now this one is new battery. You just need to place right on the given space. 1, 2, 3 and 4 jacks. One sound, second Wi-Fi, third one is your charging jack. You need to plug all these jacks right on the place. Yeah, charging jack, this one is charging jack. And this one is Wi-Fi jack. All four jacks are placed at the right places. Now just close it. Carefully close it, and you just need to check the performance of battery. Now mobile turns on. Carefully check either any